Family of 5, Castaway Key Day. Let's go to Disney's private island.
Best day ever.
Best day ever.
Best day ever.
This was our very first Disney cruise, and I booked this specific sailing for 2 reasons, because we were going to Castaway and Lighthouse. This was day 3 of our cruise and our very first stop, so we were able to get off of the ship at 8:30. We were down there by 8:35 and off by 8:40. It was so easy. Now, there was a tram, but we just decided to walk. It's always easier with a stroller. It took about 15 minutes, but I'm so glad we did because there were more photo ops and characters. The one photo that I knew I needed to get this day was meeting Mickey Mouse on his private island. This was so much fun. This is also the day that convinced me to get the unlimited photo package because there were photographers everywhere and I wanted all of the photos. A lot of new sand toys that we had never seen before, like this Disney Cruise sand bucket. We spent about $135 here. And then the rest of the day was just fun in the sun. This right here is pretty much what the next 6 hours look like. Now, we were here in December. The weather outside was perfect, but the water was pretty cold, but the kids did not care at all. It was about 78 degrees outside. I would say that the water was in the 60s maybe. Once you got in though, it really was not bad. And then we also did have lunch here. Everything here is buffet and unlimited. There is about a 2.5-hour window where all of the food is open and it will tell you on your app. We also do have french fries upon request, so make sure you ask for that soon because it does take about 25 minutes to cook. We of course grabbed some soft serve after we were done for lunch, and then it was back to the ocean. Now, I know this island is huge and there is so much to explore, but just being our first time, we just wanted to enjoy it and not get too overwhelmed. 6 hours here was definitely not enough time, so I think that just means we have to come back soon.